What is a transaction job in Policy Center? A job, transaction, in Guidewire Policy Center is a business process performed on a policy that creates or updates policy data and eventually produces a policy period version. Each transaction follows a common life cycle. Submission, quote, bind, issue, active policy. After issuance, additional transactions can occur throughout the policy life cycle. 1. Submission, new business. In Guidewire Policy Center is the process used to create a new insurance policy for a customer. It is usually the first transaction in the policy life cycle and is used to collect customer information, evaluate risk, calculate premium, get underwriting approval, and issue the policy. 2. Policy change, also known as midterm endorsement, is a transaction performed on an already active policy to modify existing policy information during the coverage period without creating an entirely new policy. This transaction allows insurers to maintain policy accuracy while ensuring premium calculations reflect the updated risk. 3. Renewal is the Policy Center transaction used to extend policy coverage into a new policy term before the existing term expires. For example, if a policy expires on 31st December, a renewal transaction creates the next coverage term for continued protection. The standard renewal flow includes renewal start, renewal offer generation, quote creation, bind, and activation of the new term. 4. Rewrite is used when an insurer needs to create a corrected version of an existing policy while replacing the old one. This transaction is commonly used when there are major setup issues, significant coverage corrections, or product migration requirements. Rewrite can occur as rewrite full term or rewrite new term depending on business needs. The process starts with selecting the existing policy, initiating rewrite, generating a new quote, and binding the replacement policy. 5. Cancellation is the transaction used to terminate a policy before its scheduled expiration date. Cancellation may occur as flat cancellation, policy treated as never existed, pro-rata cancellation, refund based on unused coverage, or short-rate cancellation, partial refund with penalty. Common reasons include non-payment, fraud, customer request, or underwriting decisions. 6. Reinstatement restores a previously cancelled policy back to active status. A common example is when a customer pays overdue premium after cancellation. The process follows cancelled policy, reinstate, recalculate, bind. Validation areas include checking coverage continuity, identifying any gap period, and ensuring synchronization with billing systems. BA deliverables typically include business rules documentation, test scenarios, audit validation, and end-to-end process verification.